Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and take a picture right here in this area. I mean, this is the closest that I have actually used a drone. So like I said, everything I guess is a tool, you know, when you think about it. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and use my small one and get away from trouble, because they might say something in that place. You got they can never say no to that. And go from here. Take some cool pictures with it. Take a picture. Take a picture of me.
How far would that thing go out there?
It's not, oh, you know, the car will move it, but hey, you don't want to get in trouble, so you gotta use a small drone to, you know, to do your needs.
Exactly.
You know what I mean? So
I just want to tell you, FYI, these guys are crazy about drones on.
oh, it's a tiny one?
Yeah, I would move beyond that fence.
Oh, okay.
They'll give you a huge ticket.
Really?
Yeah. Like
Oh,
a
okay.
Massive one.
Oh, okay. See that, guys?
You can go on state land, but they consider this
Yeah.
government land.
Oh, okay. All right, here is good, right?
No, you gotta go.
Okay.
State property doesn't start until after that monument sign.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, I don't want to get you a ticket. I know people that have gotten.
Really? Wow.
They're not nice about it either.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. But you can use your cell phone.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. So you see that, guys? That's what I'm talking about. Sometimes you want to go ahead and get away and don't want to get yourself in trouble, but I got myself pictures, see that, and I got some decent ones, and that's the only thing that matters, you know. Show your story to everyone. So everything's a tool, guys. So if you don't want to go ahead and get yourself in trouble, this is the way to go. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do a video. Just ride. Off-road. Let's go off-road. Ah. You can do off-road. Wow. Well, this is historic here. Beautiful place here. I'll go ahead and see if Tello can follow me, and of course over here you don't want to be in there, that area, because it's a state. So but I'm gonna go ahead and ride over here and go from here. So I'm gonna go So I'm doing after the track here. Yeah, so you don't want to go too fly over the trees, guys. And it's tracking me. Yeah, so I can't wait for Tello to have track object. That'd be really awesome. So that's the only thing that actually we're waiting on. But anything else is not bad, you know. He do his job. And look, so if you just do this, just hold on behind it, and then you can go ahead and woo. And got the whole view. Wow. Like I said, guys, you don't want to get yourself in trouble, but I can definitely do this. So still give me the footage that I wanted. So you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go ahead and take a picture. The picture. See, it's following me. Wow.
Anyway, guys, I just want to say thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel. See what I'm talking about. So everything is a tool. Even the Tello, $100 drone. This is what you can do. It's a powerful tool that you can use, especially places that you're not allowed. Like over here, even me, be honest with you, I don't want to get close to that area. I just want to be far away where I'm at and be safe. No people around. No one's gonna get hurt. No one's gonna get, you know, bothering you or anything like that. But the most important thing is you still can get your story going and show to everyone, show it to you guys.